Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's English lesson. This lesson, we are going to be looking at the differences between our own lives and the lives of people in the past. And the way we're going to be doing that, we are going to be imagining that we are those people from the past. So we're going to be pretending to be Florence. We're going to be pretending to be the soldiers in the Crimean War. We're going to be thinking about how they might have been feeling and be able to describe those feelings. And not only describe them, but think about why they might be feeling that way. With that being said, our success criteria, or the things we need to remember, are we need to know what an adjective is. We can imagine being a different person. And we need to be able to think about, right, if I'm pretending to be that person, how might I be feeling at that time? So if I'm Florence, how might I feel when I have seen the hospitals? How might a soldier feel during the Crimean War? So we're going to imagine ourselves being different people, describing those feelings. So how might they be feeling and why? So you've got to give a reason why they might be feeling that way.